Okay, stop. Do not add that leaf razor to your online shopping bag. Do you really want to gamble your money? Let me be your guinea pig. So about a month ago, I went through my boyfriend's final last plastic Harry's razor from Target, and I vowed that I would not buy any more plastic razors because I got a leaf razor for Christmas this year. I've been wanting to use this for a really long time, and I've been wanting to make a video about using it, and I want it to be real, but life has gotten in the way in the past month and I have not been able to make this video. And I also just didn't want to buy any more plastic razors because I have this, so I just haven't shaved in like a month. And when I say I haven't shaved, I mean every week. Whether you shave or not, I don't care. I only wish to help those who are considering buying this. This is kind of an expensive, it is an expensive purchase for just a razor, which you could buy at a Target for like $5. No, the razors are way more expensive. It's been a while since I bought a razor. I chose the leaf razor because I heard awesome reviews about it, and I'm also a sucker for a great Instagram ad. So I've also heard horror stories about safety razors, and honestly, I still don't really know the difference between this and a safety razor, but they kind of look scary just by looking at the safety razor. Like, it kind of reminds me of all my ex-boyfriends. Like, it just can't handle all of this. So I did not just get the leaf razor, I got the leaf razor shave, whatever it's called, kit. This one specifically goes for $124, but they also have other kit options. And also, you don't have to buy the kit, you can just buy the razor itself. So what is included in the kit is the leaf razor, a pack of 50 single edge blades for packing. It also comes with razors already in the head of the razor, and then it comes with a recycling tin for the blades once you're done using them. And what is that? Oh, more blades. And it comes with a stand, which I feel like is probably not something you want to spend your money on. I don't know. For me, at least, the stand doesn't matter as much, but I have it, so I'm gonna use it. I also want to mention this is not a sponsored video. Somebody bought this with their own money. It wasn't me, but it was someone. Thanks for sticking to my Christmas list this year, Mom. This video is going to be broken up into 4 parts: the setup of the razor, the actual use of the razor, the cleanup, and then I'll do a review on it. So if you want to skip certain parts, there are timestamps below. You can skip to the section that you want, or you can watch the whole video. So the first step of setting up the razor is opening the blade holder by turning the little knob screw counterclockwise. Then you load the blades from bottom to top. I was really surprised by how thin the blades were and how flexible they are. On the website, they recommend using 1 to 2 of the blades if you have sensitive skin. I do have sensitive skin, but I'm gonna use 3 since there is a lot of hair. Tying up my hair because we are going to battle. I gave my armpits a splash of water, and then I rubbed a little coconut oil on top. Already the pivoting head on the razor is making shaving my armpits a lot easier. Okay, now it's time to shave the legs. I was shocked by how good the first shave was on my legs. But as I kept shaving, I started to see that the razor was getting a bit clogged with hair.
will be completely honest, this part was a little scary. It was a bit difficult to get the razors out, and since I use coconut oil, it was a little slippery. So I tried using, honestly, a toothbrush, the back of my toothbrush, and then I wound up using a rag to help get it out without cutting me. On the website, they list a couple of different methods for cleaning. I'm just going to run mine underwater and dry it off carefully with a rag since it's my first use. They also recommend once a month using a soft brush and a dot of dish soap to clean it out. For deep cleans, they recommend soaking the razor in 1 part white vinegar and 2 parts water for 10 minutes, and then scrubbing with a brush and dish soap. After you rinse the razor, allow them to dry before reloading it.
I did as much as I could until the warm water ran out. I did try every single crevice. I just didn't really make it to this leg. I did cut myself, but not in the way that you're thinking. The coconut oil in my fingers made the razor slip out of my hand and it landed on my other hand, so I have a little scratch right there. While I was actually using the razor, I didn't really feel like it was taking all the hair off. However, once I've gotten out of the shower and like towel dried, I felt my leg and it is so smooth. The first little spot that I shaved was awesome and like immediately took all the hair off. And then once the razor started to get more clogged up with my hair, it started to take off less of the hair, which is not the razor's fault. It's myself and my laziness. Honestly, this is such a good shave. Like my legs feel so good and I have sensitive skin. As far as I can see, there's no razor burn at all, which is awesome because I always get razor burn. I get a lot of razor burn down here. When I shaved, again, there was a lot to work with. I will say it felt like it was pulling some of my hairs a few times. I'm pretty like happy with how it looks if we're going off of visuals, and it feels pretty good. Yeah, the pulling of the hairs though, that was a little bothersome. That kind of like freaks me out to shave the rest of it. The razor itself is really like slippery in the hand, so if you're like lathering yourself with like whatever soap or whatever you use, I use coconut oil, dry your hands off on a towel because that baby's gonna slip right out, especially if you're just like jamming to some Phoebe Bridgers Kyoto, which is how I cut myself. But also when I dropped it, usually if you have like one of those plastic razor heads, they will pop off. The razor didn't break apart at all. It's super sturdy, so I guess that means it's well made. But the aftermath, I'm really, really happy with. Honestly, my legs are so soft, I can't stop touching it. I forgot what it was like. I'm sure you're wondering how many shaves or how long the razors last. On the website, it says 2 weeks to 2 months, which is not helpful. I hope this video helped you if you're thinking about buying a zero waste razor or considering the leaf razor as one of them. I would recommend it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below or DM me on Instagram. I'm happy to help.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'll be making more sustainable content in the future.